What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video we will be unboxing the all new Apple's Magsafe Charger for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. Now this also works with the older iPhone as well as the Android phones that supports wireless charging, and also it works with the AirPod and the AirPods Pro with wireless charging. So this is how the box looks like. It says MagSafe Charger, and on the back we have some detailed information like this has the type C. So let's quickly go ahead and remove the sticker and get access to what all contents we have inside the package. So we have designed by Apple in California pamphlet, and once you open this up, this is how you get the MagSafe charger. So this is the type C which you need to connect to the power outlet, and this is the entirely constructed aluminum MagSafe. So we will quickly connect this to the MacBook. You can also connect this to the power adapter which you got with the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So once you connect this, you can simply take your iPhone and place it on the top and it will start charging the iPhone. This not only works with the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, but it also works with the previous generation of the iPhone, like the iPhone 8 and above. This also works with the AirPods Pro as well as the AirPods second generation that has wireless charging case. And also if you have an Android phone that supports G wireless charging, this will work with that. So this is available in India for the price of rupees 4500 rupees. If you want to purchase this, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great day.